This course primarily deals with problem-solving approaches, deals with structured thinking, deals with critical thinking. And in today's world, facing a lot of challenges, it's a VUCA world out there, where having structured thinking processes, capabilities helps. Whether you're looking at transitioning into a role in consulting, or you're looking at advancing your career, or you're looking at just learning, I think this course will help you bring about all different aspects of business models, different aspects of business problem solving to the table. This course will help you think like a management consultant. I bring a lot of my experience into the equation here, and what this does is helps you break complex business problems into simpler ones, use hypothesis-based problem-solving approaches to figure out what could be the problem to solve to get actionable outcomes. And this course will also help you alignment in terms of how you can sharpen your consultant type approach and bring that into your workplace. Hey, I'm Anand Padmanaban. I'm the faculty for the management consulting course. I come with about 29 years of experience in management consulting, life sciences, the pharma, the retail, the FMCG space as well. I help translate all my learnings and my work experience into this course, and I really look forward to you having a great time participating and enrolling in this course. So there are 3 takeaways in this course. First is you learn about structured problem solving. Second, you learn about data-driven business outcomes. Third, you learn about consulting tools and frameworks. What do I mean when I say structured problem solving? This means taking a problem, looking at it from different angles, using a hypothesis-based problem solving approach, and solving the problem. What do I mean by data-driven decision making? This involves looking at data from the marketplace, looking at data from your competitors, looking at all aspects of data around the product or the service you're trying to help solve for, and putting all that together and helping to build a solution which fits into deriving outcomes for the problem you're trying to solve. What do I mean by learn about management consulting tools and frameworks? I'm talking about tools like the VRIO, which is used for competitive moat establishment. I'm talking about tools like the balanced scorecard. I'm talking about tools like the Ansoff Matrix. I'm talking about tools like the business situation analysis, the McKinsey 7S, and many more of these frameworks. This is a learning by doing class. Here what we do is we look at real world problems, we look at business case studies, we look at live presentations, we look at participation, where you would be asked to come help solve the problem, present to the whole class. You'll also be asked to solve complex business problems as well. So this is a learning by doing class.